Scientists are worried that Jupiter's changing red spot could kill Earth. Are we about to face a cosmic catastrophe? Jupiter is facing an alarming change that has scientists worried. The iconic Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that's been raging for centuries, is shrinking at an unprecedented rate. The answer may lie in the secrets of Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere. Scientists are now racing against time to unravel the mysteries of Jupiter's Great Red Spot and assess the risks it poses to our planet. Wondering what this red spot is? The Great Red Spot is a huge storm system with winds that can reach speeds of 400 miles per hour. It's actually getting smaller over time, but it's still a very dominant feature on Jupiter. It's been observed for more than 150 years, but we still have a lot to learn about it. This red spot has been one of the most fascinating natural phenomena in the solar system. It's a giant storm that's been raging on the gas giant for centuries, making it one of the most iconic features of the planet. However, recent observations by NASA's Juno spacecraft have revealed that the storm is shrinking at an alarming rate. The spot, which was once about 3 times the size of the Earth, has been steadily decreasing in size since the 1800s. However, the rate of shrinkage has accelerated in recent years. In 2019, the storm was measured to be around 1.3 times the size of Earth, and it continues to shrink at a rate of about 900 kilometers per year. If this trend continues, the storm may disappear within the next 20 years. The biggest concern is the potential impact of Jupiter's changing climate on Earth's weather. While the Great Red Spot acts as a shield against harmful particles from the Sun, its disappearance could lead to an increase in radiation levels on our planet. The red spot can also lead to emissions, causing a ripple effect throughout the solar system that could create catastrophic events on the Earth's atmosphere. Another notable aspect is that recently the hypothesis of the gravitational force of Jupiter and Venus causing a cyclical distortion in Earth's orbit has been verified, with the cycle recurring at intervals of 405,000 years. Scientists are not yet sure why the red spot is shrinking, but they believe it may be due to the storm's interaction with the surrounding atmosphere. Jupiter's atmosphere is a complex system of gases including hydrogen, helium, methane, and ammonia. The storm's shrinking may be due to changes in these gases which affect the storm's stability. While the shrinking of the Great Red Spot may seem like a natural event, scientists are worried about its implications for Earth. The storm's shrinking may lead to changes in Jupiter's atmosphere that could have an impact on our planet. The storm's strong winds help to stabilize Jupiter's atmosphere and prevent the planet's internal heat from escaping into space. If the storm were to disappear, Jupiter's atmosphere could become more turbulent, which could affect the planet's magnetic field. Jupiter's atmosphere, including hydrogen, helium, methane, and ammonia, make it a home of some of the most powerful storms in the solar system. The key question scientists are trying to answer is how Jupiter's atmosphere affects the planet's internal heat. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it has no solid surface. Instead, its atmosphere gradually becomes denser and hotter as you move deeper into the planet. Understanding how heat is transported through the atmosphere is essential for understanding Jupiter's climate. Recent observations have revealed that Jupiter's atmosphere is more complex than previously thought. Researchers have found that the planet's magnetic field can have a significant impact on the distribution of heat in the atmosphere. By studying this phenomena, scientists hope to gain a better understanding of how Jupiter's climate works and how it may be changing over time. The planet's turbulent atmosphere has long been a source of fascination and wonders for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. However, as we continue to study Jupiter, we're also learning more about the potential risks it may pose to our planet. First, let's take a closer look at the red spot itself. The storm is a massive anticyclone, which means that it rotates in the opposite direction to the surrounding atmosphere. The spot is also thought to play an important role in Jupiter's climate. It acts as a shield against harmful particles from the Sun, protecting the planet from the worst effects of solar radiation. However, as the storm shrinks, this protective shield may also be weakening. While there's no direct evidence to suggest that the shrinking of the Great Red Spot could kill us, scientists are concerned about the potential implications for our planet's climate. The gas giant's powerful gravity and turbulent atmosphere have long fascinated scientists, but they also pose a potential risk to our own planet. While the risk of Jupiter's red spot directly killing us is low, the potential impacts on Earth's climate and safety cannot be ignored. As we continue to study Jupiter and its changing climate, it's essential that we take steps to mitigate any potential risks and protect our planet from harm. The gas giant is over 365 million miles away, making it difficult to observe in detail. However, recent advancements in space technology have allowed us to get closer than ever before. Despite decades of study and numerous missions, scientists still have much to learn about this gas giant and its complex atmosphere. In 2016, NASA's Juno spacecraft arrived at Jupiter, becoming the first spacecraft to orbit the gas giant's poles. Since then, Juno has been providing scientists with valuable data on Jupiter's atmosphere, magnetic field, and other important features. Exciting discoveries from the Juno mission is the presence of a deep, turbulent layer of ammonia within Jupiter's atmosphere. This layer is thought to play a critical role in the planet's complex weather patterns, and understanding it could provide important insights into the workings of the gas giant's atmosphere. Famous astrophysicist Carl Sagan once said, "Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known." This sentiment rings true for the ongoing exploration of Jupiter. As we continue to study this gas giant and its secrets, we may uncover new insights into the formation of our solar system and the universe as a whole. Another important area of study is Jupiter's moons. Europa, one of Jupiter's largest moons, has long been of interest to scientists due to the possibility of liquid water beneath its icy surface. This water could potentially support life, making Europa a key target for future exploration. The European Space Agency is currently developing the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, a mission set to launch in 2022. JUICE will study 3 of Jupiter's largest moons, including Europa, with the goal of understanding their potential for supporting life. As our understanding of the universe continues to expand, so too does our need to prepare for the possibility of a catastrophic event. The threat of a cosmic catastrophe has long been a concern for scientists and researchers, with potential impacts ranging from asteroid impacts to solar flares. One of the biggest threats to our planet is an asteroid impact. While large impacts are relatively rare, they have the potential to cause widespread destruction and even mass extinction. In 2013, a meteor exploded over the city of Chelyabinsk in Russia, injuring over 1,500 people and causing millions of dollars in damage. To address this threat, NASA has launched several initiatives aimed at identifying and tracking potentially hazardous asteroids. The agency's Near-Earth Object or NEO program has discovered over 25,000 asteroids and comets, with a focus on identifying those that pose a risk to the Earth. Solar flares also pose a potential threat to our planet. These intense bursts of energy from the sun can cause widespread power outages and disrupt communication systems. In 1859, a massive solar flare known as the Carrington event caused widespread disruptions to telegraph systems. To prepare for the possibility of a solar flare, the International Space Station is equipped with radiation shields and other protective measures. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory closely monitors the sun's activity, providing early warnings of potential flares. While the threat of a cosmic catastrophe may seem remote, it's important to take steps to prepare for the possibility. By expanding our understanding of the universe and developing new technologies, we may be able to better predict and prepare for potential threats. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for